using WordPress we created this website, and it is working very nicely. Okay, but how this is possible? The main reason behind this is the MAMP. MAMP actually created a virtual environment. It created a server, and over there we install WordPress application, and it is running both the SQL server and the website. Without MAMP it is not possible, and real life application works the same way, but the difference is this is our local environment and that is the online environment. They also have the server and MySQL database, something like that. Okay, so let's check one thing. If we shut down MAMP, what will happen? Okay, we'll check that. And before going that, this website we are accessing using the URL, localhost, and then the port number. Okay, so let's open another browser. So I'm using another browser. This is, you can see this is Brave browser. This is not a Safari browser, and I'm typing that localhost URL, and once I hit enter we are going to the same server website. Okay, so this is basically in real life we actually put the URL and then we go there. Okay, so basically it is working both of the browsers. Okay, now let's check one thing. This is MAMP. Now just shut down the MAMP server by clicking the stop servers. Once we click stop, then this green will be like blank thing. That means the server is not running, and both of them will be like empty. So whenever you are trying to close the MAMP server, you sometimes you might get this type of username password prompt of your computer. Just put your password and username over there, and then hit OK button. Once you click OK button, then you see both of them are shut down. Okay, that means both of them are stopped, those are not running. And now if we refresh our window, you will see that the website cannot be reached. And if you also go to Safari, if we refresh, we'll also feel the similar type of thing. Safari cannot connect to the server. That means the server is not running. So really, a website, there is backend, there is one server which is actually helping to live the project. So let's come to MAMP again and let's start the server again. So I'm going to click here to start the server. Once the server is started, then we'll see both the Apache server and MySQL server is green. Now again come to the Safari browser and refresh, and if you refresh then you see that it's back again. And also in the other browser, like Brave browser, it is also coming in live. So in this way actually basically MAMP is creating the virtual environment in your local computer, or you can develop and install WordPress everything. This is the same. So why do we need this type of environment? The main reason is that during the development, we actually create this type of application or WordPress website in our local computer. Once you complete the development of your website locally, then you can easily transfer to other online hosting by using FTP or some other mechanism. So we will discuss those things later. For now we will not discuss. So I just try to give you the idea why we use MAMP and what is the benefit of this MAMP. I think you are clear. The main reason of using MAMP is that it creates a virtual environment. It creates a server and MySQL server, everything, and over there we can install WordPress, and the website actually behaves like actual online websites. So hopefully by watching this video you are clear and why we need MAMP and how to use that, everything you're fine. And in the next video we'll see more details of MAMP, basically how to install multiple websites on the single MAMP server or MAMP using your local computer. Thank you for watching, and hopefully this video will help you to get understand what is the main role of MAMP and how we can use it. And do not forget to subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching. Thanks.